Now the students will point their iPads or other tablets at the Arility marker, whether it's on the floor or on a table. And as they approach, the camera will pick up the logo on the marker and the scenario will be revealed. In this example, as with all the scenarios, there is a question at the bottom of the screen asking what Bella should do, and there is multiple choice. Here there are three choices: one to walk behind the bus, one in front of the bus where the driver can see her, or to go to the safer crossing place. The student needs to point the circle in the middle of the screen at their choice and then press the yellow button at the bottom right hand side of the screen. And here you can see that the student has chosen the right answer, and the scenario then plays out. There then follows some key messages around stop, look, listen and think for discussion before it goes to the final page where the child receives a congratulatory badge for bus stoppers. So let's look at some other aspects of this particular scenario and look at some ideas of how a lesson could be played out. For example, you could talk about road surfaces and how the conditions can apply to vehicles and to pedestrians. You could also look at visibility, how small children can be hidden behind objects. You could look at the environment. You could look at impulse control, in your own words, about the need not to run across the road to see friends, and also about distractions. For example, here is someone looking at a mobile phone. So there are many things to talk about: vehicle weights, vehicle sizes. There are so many aspects to this particular scenario, and you'll find in the other scenarios there are many other things to talk about too. So I hope this video now gives you a much better insight into how to use the Arility app, and I'm sure you will use it well in all the schools that you work in. One of the biggest issues that we have found is with Wi-Fi problems in schools. Quite often there are more than one Wi-Fi system in place, and that is where the system may fall down. However, there is a workaround. What I would suggest is that if you have problems with Wi-Fi, simply sign each child up as teacher, and then you can operate the app just as you would, and you can still carry out the lessons. The only problem with that is that the reports won't be sent. But I'm sure you'll get the hang of it, and best of luck with Arility in the future. If you have any questions, you can email me at roadsafetygb.bom@gmail.com. Thank you.